welcome back. Oh no, I have to turn this. Welcome back to La Vida Motor Puerto Rico. Alright. Guess who's walking again? He's carrying down the stairs all by himself.
I'm so happy.
Go ahead, tell the people. How have you been feeling?
Happy, nervous, like different. I feel this. I'll have to try to get my balance back.
What's the first thing that you tried to do when you started to walk again?
What is it?
Lagartijos. He's feeling so much better. So JJ and I are having a little mommy son time. I'm not going to vlog it. Maybe I'll take some pictures, but I just wanted to do the intro now, even though I don't know what vlog this is going to be attached to, because I was just feeling in the moment. Just feeling in the moment. So I just wanted to just take advantage of this good energy and do an intro for whatever vlog this is going to be a part of. Quién sabe, pero nada. We'll see you in the next clips.
It's doors open, the doors open.
Chacho, enfrente de la casa. Muy buenos días a todos. I was going to do an introduction, and then I remembered that I had one from the other day. Hola, nena. ¿Tú te pausas for a second? We made a quick stop at the store for some snackies and chocolate. Because we are going to Aguada to get water for the day. And I'm basically just going to show you guys what water we drink. We do not purchase water. We have been since Hurricane Maria getting water. Aguada, it's our favorite one. There are others. Come on. I wish I need to invest in some better quality water vessels, water bottles. We have big glass ones that we transfer a lot of the water to. They're 5 gallons. I leave them in the house. I fill up the water in these we recycle plastic bottles, especially when people have parties at the house. We ask them to leave the bottles and we recycle them, we wash them out, but it's plastic. So have any tips or ideas to me, any websites that you can send my way? So we are headed now to Aguada. I'm in Cabo Rojo. An hour to get there. It's worth it. Chocolate is my weakness. I need to have a farm and grow chocolate. Cacao. Listening to that with my mother, drinking Café with crackers and cheese. Queso dura. Oh, I feel like this is dirty. Oh my gosh, there was a guy. What did he do, Gitana?
The guy kept beeping the horn and he opened the door and looked at you.
He opened the door and looked at me. Listen guys, Listen, I'm not saying that all you guys do this, but it's very common here in Puerto Rico for the guys in the cars next to you to check you out and start beeping the horns and stuff. And it's just a little ridiculous. First of all, my daughter is in the back. I wanted to show you. Sorry, I'm recording and talking, but I wanted to show you. This is where we are.
Isn't your old man?
Increíble. He opened the door and he did what?
Look at you. You're the horn again.
It's ridiculous. My daughter goes, "What's up, bro?" Esta nena mía es spicy como su mamá. I think somebody here is doing a Bad Bunny photo shoot. Pero sí, you know, it's just a little ridiculous. Like I said, I'm with my daughter. I'm a minor in the car. I'm driving. We're both driving. It's just so dangerous. How are you looking at me so much while you're driving when we're both on a busy road? I mean, it's a little too much. Just a little too much. Anyhow, my daughter's already there. I'm gonna show you guys how we collect the water, but I'm gonna show you my daughter. My daughter will demonstrate for you. Is what I'm trying to say. Empieza sacando la botella y después yo te ayudo.
Dale, mami, vente. Vamos a ir sacando lo que no. Deja que ella le tome foto.
Ay, no te preocupes.
Está bien.
Hola. ¿Quién?
Mami lo compró.
Wow. ¿Y tú dibujas? ¿Sí? Muy bien. Eso es bueno, hacer arte.
Aquí nada más hay un poquito.
Pues si quieres usar esta entonces porque... Dale. Bueno, today they're not working. But this one está botando agua.
La vela, por lo menos.
Ok. Yo voy a checar entonces.
Sí.
The only thing with Hitana is that when she fills them up, she doesn't fill them to the top. But I was talking to my mom here, so I got distracted. Pero sí. Mira las hojas. They're so big. Get all of those árboles, the pana tree. Pana. ¿Ya? ¿Ya? There is barely any water flowing out today because it must be refilling. So this is going in super slow motion. Pero está bien. We have about 15 más, ¿verdad? Like 15 more o 10 más. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10.
10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 7, 8. There's 8 to fill up.
8?
And to way more.
Mr. Special de Mayagüez. Para muñeca. Wow, there's no fila. That's because I came after lunchtime. Qué milagro. Ensalada. Papas, coditos, los arrocitos. Carne.
Mira, tengo carnita, tortilla.
Patatas, tostones, pernil, chuleta, eso es Más chuleta, más carne. Así. Pollo guisado. Aquí tenemos una chuleta, una ensalada de papa, habichuela, ajo blanco, pollo frito, tostones, and a malta, a big one, and everything came out to. Te enseño ahora. All of these for $16.44.
Ooh, look at that.
Because each almuerzo is $6.99, so I got kind of like two. This is one, and this was another one with the oh no, sorry, this goes together with this, and this goes with this. Ay, qué lindo. Ay, qué rico. No creo que podemos pasar, pero él puede caminar, deja aquí allá. Él puede caminar.
Vamos a ver.
Jay, get out and walk over there so we can hang out there for a little bit, see? You want to bring you a little bit closer?
¿Viste?
See? You want to go a little bit closer?
Yo lo llevo William.
Okay. Ivy to the rescue, Superman. Estamos esperando que llegue la gente de la caminata. Gracias, Harvey. You wanna try? Wanna try? Come. Come on. Ay. Mira, look at the saxophone. Lindo. Hold on to mommy like this on my shoulder. Because my friend was able to help me. I'm gonna do my best to get as much footage as possible. Thank goodness que no hay mucho sol, so estamos por lo menos comfortable. Aquí está mi amigo ayudándome, Harvey, del grupo de Facebook. A ver cómo. Hay mucha gente. Ellos vino por ahí.
Ellos entre comillas dicen que
Ay, esa mujer, ¿dónde está ella? Bendito, me quedé con su maraca.
¿te la encuentras ahorita?
Sí. ¿Quieres parar?
Si no tuvieran miedo de verdad, vamos a ver. ¡Somos más! Y no tenemos miedo.
Puerto Rico. We're on like day 4 of random vlogging. I'm just putting pieces and pieces together. My best friend is back here again, and we had like a day of both of us having separate things to take care of, and we literally, it's like 4:30 on almost in the evening, and we're heading out now to explore and do something. So we're gonna check something local. Jasmine, your door's open. We're gonna check something local that's just like more to look at, less to stay there and hang around all day. See how accessible it is. But probably first grab a cafe. If it's in a cute place, I'll record it for you guys and show you. It's a gloomy day. It's like on and off, like very little sun but more gloominess, and I don't think we were gonna have a really good ideal day anyway. But she's only here for 2 days, like 48 hours literally, so we're just we are here having cafe. So you can see the difference in friendship. This is my cafe and that's their cafe. I'm always getting hot and plain and boring. This regular cafe. So this the center of Rincon right here.
And he said, where there's bamboo, there's water.
See, it's a water plant. It can't grow without water.
So whenever you're lost, you know. Yeah.
Huh?
Oh, somebody's car messed up.
Ya estamos llegando. I look like I'm giving a tour. I'm like, okay, so we're gonna make a left now.
I thought she just told me.
Mira qué bello. Está bastante vacío. It's not very full. Because mira, all this is dry.
Are you gonna talk? Okay.
So we need, it just might be muddy. Like for example, it just rained about 2 hours ago. So because it's all dirt coming down, it will be a little muddy. But it's 2 minutes in the road. GPS is gonna take you to the next one. So you're just gonna have to go to the one right before it. So it's probably like at the mark when the GPS says you're about like a minute away. And once you get to that point, you start looking for this dirt. I keep one. These rock formations, the way they're sort of choppy, looks really pretty in person. It almost looks like a bunch, like hundreds of steps. Like little nooks and grooves to climb. This would be really fun to do rock climbing. There's something. We are leaving the waterfall, but it really was very pretty, very nice. Cool to come and chill and have like start a little fire and grill some food. I don't know if it's the best food.
Huh? I wonder if there's
Little quick stop. I can spend the whole day here. You can put a tent here and camp. Just spending out of like flat ground. Cute. Ay, qué belleza. Mira esto. Ay, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you for this. Thank you. Es que esto es una belleza que en verdad uno no puede explicar. You have to just see it. It's glowing and it looks like the clouds are forming mountains. That's me not doing anything on my phone. That's just the way it looks when I zoom in. Wow. watch the sunset before my friend goes home. And I'm not sure. So far so good, but there is a huge storm cloud coming this way. Okay guys, so I'm literally just sitting on the steps from my friend's family's balcony. So please, in the night, you hear these beautiful plantas. I'm going to close this vlog out here. There's been many clips pieced together. I wanted to talk about some things going on here in Puerto Rico, but honestly, I've been in the moment and talking with so many organizations and regular locals and family, and I'm just really involved in so many little things right now that I don't have the energy to discuss it here on my channel in this video, but I will come back in time. I will return eventually and give you some insights on some reflection, not insight, some reflection on what's going on here in this beautiful home of mine, and on what's going on in my life as well. So bye for now. Besitos. I will see you all soon enough, but we're gonna take a little break from this, just for a little bit.